how to use Samsung Health app. So if you want to use your Samsung Health app, then first you need to open up your Samsung Health application. Make sure that you've installed it. You can go with your App Store or your Play Store and install the Samsung Health application. Once you've done that, you need to go with sign in, which will be on the bottom. And if you already have a Samsung account, you can go with sign in. Or if you don't have an account, you can go with create account and create one. So I'll just simply go and sign into my account. Go with continue. Once you've signed in, you'll get this kind of interface. Go with next, which will be on the bottom. Go with continue. Tap on allow and tap on start, which will be on the bottom. Now tap on agree, which will be on the bottom again. And you've been logged into your account, right? Now you can create your profile. You need to go with profile, which will be on the top right. And you need to input your gender, birth date, height, weight, and general activity level to calibrate your calorie and BMR calculations. You can go with edit, which will be on the right side, and then just simply go with your gender, your height, then your weight, and your date of birth. Go with your activity level and tap on save, which will be on the bottom. Now navigate to the dashboard and view modular cards for steps, exercise, sleep, water, and food intake. Tap the star icon to prioritize interest-based categories like sleep or exercise, or use the three-dot menu to reorder and remove unused tracking cards. Easily switch between the home, together, challenges with friends, fitness, and my tab pages. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.